How to add links within the same page in Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add multiple links within your Wix website page. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard of a website. Now what I am going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to head over setup or homepage to have the edit site button. Once clicked on that, it is going to load up the website of yours. Now it is going to take a little bit of time to load up the website, but what can we do? We need to wait for it. Now we're going to be on the page of the choice. For example, here I have this one, which is going to be the home page. I have within the home page a lot of as you can see for the site menu, let's say items. Here as you can see we're going to have these, so I'm going to delete those. This one I do not need it, that one also, and we're going to try to make a little bit of a sense here. If I am not wrong, I'm going to add a website, not a website, but basically a menu. Let's add this horizontal simple menu. This is the menu that we want. So this is the menu. So we can go ahead and manage the menu. I'm going to delete all of these or hide most of them. Hide these, the ones that I do not need, of course. Hide. So we're going to have these also hidden. And groups portfolio, do not need this. Under construction, not need that. Booking, same thing. This one also, same thing. Groups, do not need that. So as you can see, this is our menu. We're going to have it like this. So I'm going to add other menu pages as links. How we can add them? Basically, we can go ahead and scroll down within the same page. We're going to add an element, and we're going to head over the menu and anchor, and I'm going to place in navigation or in page navigation. I'm going to add an anchor here. So this is going to be right there. So I'm going to rename this anchor and make it as, let's say, groceries, like that. The anchor URL is going to be like this. We are going basically here to add another anchor, and we're going to name it deal. For example, this is going to be the second anchor or the second link. We have one already there, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to let this, rename it, and have it as deals. So this is the second one. Third one, for example, fresh. We are going to have freshness. I'm going to make it like this, like fresh fresh fruits. Boom. Here we go. Now we're going to be on the menu page. We're going to select our menu. Click on manage menu. Then we're going to add a menu item. Click links. And we're going to select anchors from there. We're going to select this page and we're going to scroll until we're going to find our anchors. We have groceries, deals, fruits, and etc. So I'm going to start first thing first, groceries. We're going to have it like that. You can go ahead and add another one, which is going to be the anchor. And we're going to have it deals, for example. And the last one is going to be like this. So fresh fruits. Boom. Here we have the 3 of them. This is how you can go ahead and add links or multiple links into one page right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.